Here we go, we test the new model of the Silicone Label Forming Machine. Just one corner, single corner. The mute corner is working with the thin V, but use PVC or silicone dispenser. Okay, check this machine. Only need 15 seconds to forming this label. Chinese client has ordered this machine. Now we are testing it before we deliver it to his factory. First, here are 10 seconds of vacuum time. Then, forming time is 15 seconds. This system can be used in English, not only Chinese. 先不管。While in the batch production in factory, you can use a larger mold to produce each mold with more than just 4 products, maybe 8 or 16 products at one time. Then the capacity of the production is 2 times or 4 times larger than this. Each mold can produce 8, 16, or 32, and so on products at one time. After cleaning the mold, then use this film to transport silicone label out from the mold. Cooling table. This is a small cooling table. It's very hot. The details of the silicone label. There are more of this. You can see the temperature. The upper temperature is 116, the down temperature is 200 degrees. our engineer.